In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Microsoft Edge not responding. When Microsoft Edge freezes or stops responding, the quickest and most reliable way to recover is to close every Edge process and start fresh. This clears out whatever is stuck in the background without restarting your whole computer. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can get back to browsing in just a minute. First, open Task Manager using the keyboard. Press the Ctrl, Shift, and Escape keys at the same time. This opens the Task Manager window, which shows the apps and background processes currently running on your PC. If Edge is frozen, it may not close by itself, so we're going to end it here. In the list of processes, look for Microsoft Edge. You'll usually see it under the Apps section, and sometimes you may also see multiple related entries lower down under background processes. That's normal. Modern browsers split tasks into several processes for tabs, extensions, and the rendering engine. Click on Microsoft Edge to highlight it, then select End Task. This forces that process to close immediately. Be aware that anything you were typing on a page and hadn't submitted might be lost, but this is often the only way to unstick a frozen browser. If Edge appears more than once in the list, repeat the same action for each entry. Keep going until there are no Microsoft Edge items left anywhere in the Task Manager. Taking a few extra seconds to confirm they're all gone helps prevent the same hang from returning as soon as you reopen. Once every Edge process has been ended, close the Task Manager window. At this point, Edge is fully shut down in the background, which gives it a clean slate to start from. Now reopen Microsoft Edge normally, the same way you always do. Because you ended all the processes, Edge starts fresh and is much more likely to respond right away. Depending on your settings, your previous tabs may automatically reappear. If they do, that can be a convenient way to pick up where you left off. If not, you can navigate back to the pages you were using. That's all you need to do. Ending the stuck processes and launching Edge again resolves most freezing issues caused by a tab, an extension, or a temporary glitch. If you ever run into the same problem, just follow these steps to quickly recover without a full reboot. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get back to browsing smoothly.